Roots of a quadratic function solving by factorisation part 2. We're looking at a difference of two squares now, so equations and functions of the form f of x equals x squared minus b squared. Example 1. Find the roots for f of x equals x squared minus 16. We're going to set f of x equals to 0, and I'll just shift the 0 to the right hand side of the equal sign. What we have now is we have a difference of two squares. We've got x squared minus a square number. 16 is the square of 4. So we can factorise it as x plus 4 times x minus 4. And now we have to find the values of x for which this function equals 0. So taking the first bracket, we want the first bracket to equal 0. Therefore, x plus 4 is to equal 0. X is equal to minus 4. Likewise, in the second bracket, we want x minus 4 to equal 0. Therefore, x minus 4 should equal 0. X is equal to 4. So we have two solutions for the function. We have solution 1, x1 equals minus 4, and solution 2, x2 is equal to 4. And we can see this from the plot of x squared minus 16. We have two solutions, minus 4 and 4. They are both equal with opposite signs. Example 2. A bit trickier now. Find the roots for f of x equals minus 4x squared plus 4. So what we'll do is set f of x equals to 0, and I'll just shift the equal sign to the right hand side. The 0 to the right hand side of the equal sign. Now before we factorise this using a difference of two squares, let's factor out a highest common factor. So let's take out the negative 4. And now we'll have a term in the brackets, which will be x squared minus 1. The term in the brackets, the x squared minus 1, is a difference of two squares, and it can be factorised as x plus 1 times x minus 1. So let's take the x plus 1 bracket. We want x plus 1 to equal 0 for the whole equation to equal 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 1. X minus 1, we want this bracket to equal 0, and so x is equal to 1. So we have two solutions. X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. Again, we have the same magnitude but of different signs, 1 and minus 1. So on the plot we can see that we're going to have an inverted U shape, two solutions, both equal distance from the origin, minus 1 and 1.